Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about creative testing in Meta ads. Should you be giving the same budget in all of your ads? The reason that I'm making this video is because I have seen this setting over here, which is not in all ad accounts, it's still in beta I guess, not in beta. So basically we have alpha, beta, and then eventually Meta is gonna start rolling changes to some ad accounts, then if it's working well to more ad accounts until it goes to all the ad accounts. So right now I have seen this to some ad accounts. So it passed alpha, beta, and it's now in some ad accounts. And this is a setting that I think that it's a bad setting. It's a setting that Meta is actually using in order for you to spend more money, and I will explain why. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, bid caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. First of all, let's analyze what this setting is doing. This setting is there in order for you to click it, to check it basically, and just say that I want for this new ad to take also budget. Why is it happening? Because if you see inside an ABO campaign with a single ad set, CBO, ABO, single ad set, or if you see even on a CBO campaign, on a CBO is different, so let's talk about it in a little bit. In an ABO or CBO with single ad set, you have many ads, you're gonna see that most of the budget goes to one of your ads, which is like a wolf pack. For example, it's the alpha, then it's the 2 betas, and then the others are not taking budget. So in that way, many people were saying that, okay, I'm putting new creatives inside there, but they don't take budget, which is the reason that I don't also like to put new creatives and I like to do new campaigns with new angles. I will just add new creatives inside the campaign if it's dying in my last effort to try to save the whole campaign with some ads that they might win my fatigued dominant ad inside the campaign. So the whole point of this setting is that if you're putting inside creatives, you should give them an equal chance of taking budget. I strongly disagree with this because I believe that Meta knows very well which ad is gonna work and which is not. And we have seen that by just tossing creatives inside, and the new creatives being better, they have overruled the top ad and they have become the dominant ads inside the campaign. So if Meta has already a mechanism which can take an ad that is not having any budget and become dominant ad if it's better than your dominant ad, then why do we need this setting? This setting is coming from people crying, I believe, that I want to test all of my creatives with the same budgets. I don't believe in that, and I believe from my experience inside Meta that you should not be giving equal budget to all of your ads. You should let Meta's algorithm do the job. This is the only thing that we trust in Meta, that they're doing properly, the algorithm optimizing.
Nice job, team.
So I do believe that there's already a mechanism that it can actually give fair chances to the ads, even if they're not taking budget, to become dominant ads. Of course, it's more difficult if you already have a dominant, but at the end of the day, this is what we need from Meta, to actually spend on the ad that has the best chances of giving us the best results. And at the end of the day, as I said several times in the channel, even if something goes wrong, we have ABO optimization as we do it here in the channel. They have plenty of videos inside the course and in my channel so that you can see how you can do it properly. So yes, I don't believe that we should be spending equally in all of the ads. I don't believe in the democracy of the ads. I do believe that over here we should be spending to whatever it's actually having better results. If we try to find on our own which one is actually taking the best results, then we're going to overspend and we're going to just be spending so much money for something that Meta can do already on its own because the algorithm is good at it. So if you ask me, another setting from Meta that is out there so that it can make you spend more and more and more with something that looks logical. So it looks logical to spend on your other ads. You're not spending enough on your other ads. For people like me that we know the platform and we have spent a lot of money on it, it makes total sense not to spend in each one of your ads equal amounts, because this is what Meta is called to do. If we don't have that from Meta, what is Meta going to do? This is what it does. It just finds the best ones and spend more. As I said many times, this is why CBO has been created, so that it can distribute budgets, because we don't know how to distribute them, and it can distribute budgets in the best possible way. The same thing will happen to the CBO campaigns, because inside the CBO campaigns, we have always if we have the same ads over there, between our ad sets, you're gonna see that it's always gonna be the same ad on all of these campaigns or ad sets that is gonna win. So if you're just gonna push different budgets over there, which is something that I have seen, for example, in a CBO campaign, why I don't like to optimize on the ad level? Because if you close something on the ad level, it changes completely the balance inside the CBO, and the ad sets are starting spending abnormally and they try to find new balances. So if you do that setting over there and you're gonna have a CBO that's giving equal budgets into your ads, I think that this is gonna affect also how your ad sets are gonna behave and if they're gonna have good results or not, and the balance that they're gonna have. In other words, Meta is a platform that really likes to work with dominant ads. And this is the way that I think that it's actually working, and this is why it has good results. I don't think that this intervention of us putting budgets to all of the ads and all of that, even when people do it manually with ABO and single ads per ad set, and they just try to test everything, they end up losing a lot of money on a testing that is not gonna make them as much money as they're gonna make after finding something that is working. And most of the times they end up doing it with very small budgets so that they can be able to do it. But at the end of the day, this is what we want from Meta, to put a budget of 200 and decide how much it's gonna spend in an ad that is gonna look like it's a dominant. And if it's not, we have the optimization to fix it. But most of the times it's picking the correct one. And this is coming from my personal experience, trying everything and trying to put equal budgets, trying not to. I think that this is the best possible way. And I think that this setting is there so that it can make people that they wanna feel like they're testing all of their creatives equally, feel better. But at the end of the day, I don't think that this is something that it's cost efficient. As I always say, there are not bad settings, it's the way that we use them. I haven't found yet a good use for this setting. Maybe I will find in the future and I will let you know. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, you can work with me if you want. You can send me a message and we can see your spend, your ad account, and see if we can work together. We can do also my mentorship program, Chosen 5, daily calls working on your ad account, but you need to have some specific criteria to be a good person and to have some decent spend. The fact that you're willing to work hard on learning better Meta ads. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.